Hello students, good morning everyone. So today we are going to learn something that is about rules that we have to follow when we are using a computer. Okay, using a computer in the sense if we are in the lab or if we are using at our home also. There are certain things which we should not do and what should we do when you are using a computer. So what is that? Do's and don'ts with computer. Okay, do's and don'ts with computer. What we have to do with computer and what we should not do with the computer. Let us learn about it. Okay, so let us suppose if your father is buying a new car, doesn't he take care of it? Yes, he will take care of it very well. If your mother is purchasing a jewelry, if she is purchasing gold, will she take care of it? Yes, she will take care of it very well. Okay, because so let us suppose similarly you have to take care of your computer also, because it is also very costly. Its parts are costly. If we don't take care of them, it may get damaged. Okay, then it works on electricity. So if we are not following certain rules, okay, if we don't take care of it, we might get electric shock also. Okay, here are some things which we should follow and what we should not follow when we are using a computer. What is that first one? Clean your computer regularly. Use a soft and dry cloth to clean it. So every day you have to clean your computer. Okay, cleaning means not pouring water and washing it. Okay, just rub it gently with a soft cloth. Okay, just you have to rub it, otherwise dust may fall on it. So you have to every day just rub it softly or gently with a dry cloth. Okay, do not use wet cloth. Water lo munchi tadchila rough cheddamma. Okay, this is not your slate, no. So you have to just rub gently or softly. Then leave your footwear outside the lab. Okay, do not use your footwear. Do not wear your chappals or anything when you are getting into the lab. Leave your footwear outside when you are entering the lab, because the dust from which is in your footwear may damage the parts of the computer. Then do not eat or drink inside the computer lab. Okay, do not eat or do not drink when you are in the computer lab. Then use the keyboard, the mouse and the other parts gently. So when you are using the keyboard and when you are using the mouse, use it gently. Do not use it roughly, children. Okay, do not bang them. Okay, do not use whatever the way you want. Okay, use it gently and properly. Do not fight with others for computer. So when you go for the computer lab, your teacher will give you turns. First 5 children will sit on the chair and they will use the computer. After 15 minutes, the next 5 students will use the computer. Meanwhile, what you have to do, you have to keep calm and maintain till your turn comes. You should not fight with other children for the computer. Then ask your teacher for assistance if you need help. Do not keep your voice low when speaking to others in lab. So whenever you want some help, when you are doing something on a computer, you should ask your teacher for help. Do not click anything on the computer. You should ask your teacher to assist you or to help you. Then do not talk loudly in the lab. Lower your voice when you are in the computer lab. Do not touch your neighbor's computer. Sit in your chair properly. So when you are using the computer, sit in your chair properly in a proper manner. Do not pull the other person sitting on your chair. Okay. Look at the monitor screen from a reasonable distance. The light from screens such as TV or monitor is not good for our eyes. So when you look at the computer, you have to maintain some distance. Okay, you should not come close to the screen and you should see, because these televisions and monitor screens, they may be harmful to your eyes. So do not come closer to the television or the computer. Do not touch or play with any wires or cables. Do not touch the back side of the CPU. So children, you should not touch the wires of the computer. Don't touch anything. Do not touch any plug. Don't play with the switchboard there. And do not touch the back view of the CPU here. See, this child is doing here. You should not do this type of things. Then do not touch the keyboard or mouse with wet hands. Do not touch the monitor screen. So don't touch the keyboard, mouse and monitor with your wet hands. Okay, your hands should not be wet when you are using computer. If you share the computer with your friends, take equal turns to use it. See here, 3 children are sharing a computer. You should take equal turns. You should not fight with each other. It is my turn now, it is my turn now. Don't fight with each other. Do not press any buttons unless your teacher asks you to do. So you have to follow the instructions which your teacher gives you. Do not click any button until your teacher tells you. You have to listen to your teacher, what she is giving the instruction. What she is saying, you have to operate in that way. Do not scribble on the computer table. Do not litter the computer lab. So you should not write anything or scribble on the computer table. Okay, the table where the computer is placed, you should not scribble or write anything there. Rubbish. Okay, don't spoil that tables by writing. Then shut down your computer properly after your work is completed. Okay, when you are done with the work, when you have completed working on the computer, you have to shut down it properly. Okay, if your lab is air conditioned, always close the door if you are the last person to come in. Okay, if it is air conditioned, if you are having an AC in your lab, then you have to close the door. You have to close the door, children. Okay, you have to close the door if you are the last person who is getting in the lab. So these are the things which we have to do and which should not do when you are entering a computer lab. Okay, what are the main things you should follow here, children? Do not touch the wires. Do not touch the back view of the CPU. Do not write on the tables of the computer, and do not click anything until your teacher tells you. Okay, students, thank you. Let us meet in the next video.